Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Helix 10 and confirming a stable 12V source. This avoids corrupting maps. Once powered, set language and units in setup so readings match your expectations. Insert a micro SD, then update maps if available. Doing this first prevents mid-trip interruptions. Make sure the transducer is mounted correctly. Flush for clean beams or transom for simpler installs, because proper placement directly impacts sonar clarity and depth accuracy. Once the basics are set, choose your sonar modes: chirp for depth, side for structure, clear view for photo-like returns. Pick what shows the detail you need. Start with auto sensitivity, then reduce interference by lowering gain or turning on noise rejection. This clarifies targets versus clutter. Load and align chart data from micro SD and calibrate GPS so waypoints and depth contours line up with reality. Accurate mapping ensures reliable navigation and fish holding zone identification. Finish by saving your waypoints and routes, and record sonar logs to micro SD so you can review structure and marks later. If the unit freezes, reboot and verify power and fuse. Persistent issues often trace back to voltage drops or loose ground. Should sonar returns appear weak, inspect the transducer for damage or fouling, verify wiring connections, and adjust mounting angle. Small changes to angle or height often restore target clarity. Always test after adjustments to confirm results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.